see how to use Google Drive, which is used as a cloud platform to store our data. So for that, what we need to do is we need to install first Google Drive in our device. Now I have already installed Google Drive in my device from Play Store, and for this Google account is required. You need to log in anyway. The Android device already a Google account. So let's see what are the options for available here, like recent files which I have used, offline, which is like you can download the files into your device with whenever internet was not available in your device you can use. And the backups here, it is like whenever you do WhatsApp backup to a Google Drive, that is going to be stored here. And settings, in the settings, yeah, backup and reset themes you can change, clear cache which was previously, those things you can do. And here one more option was transfers files only over the Wi-Fi. You can on this or off based on your requirement. For example, you are using Wi-Fi, then only the synchronize will happen, otherwise on the mobile internet the synchronize will be avoided. And let's see the what are the options were available in the home. If you click on the home, it will to what are the things are available in the drive. And notifications, for example, you have any notification, someone has shared the file to you or you share to someone, those things going to be appear here. And start, this one is a start one where you have marked like you have so many files in the device drive. So like in the Google Drive you can go to the options, and here you can mark as like you can mark this. Just a minute, it was loading. Here add as a start, so if you click on add as a start, it will be like in the start one. And you can, if you want, you can remove from the start one, so that it will be in like if you have so many files here, so you can just do what, like you can start this so that you can, like it is a similar kind of the bookmark what we have used. You can directly route to that file and share, like for example you or someone has shared a file to you like a Google Sheet or Google Slide or any images to you, that is going to be appeared here. And in the files, like what it is going to give an explorer view of the drive, like what are the folders were available, and in the each folder what are the things were available. And apart from that, like here the have without folder have added the files, so those files are going to be displayed here when you click on that particular thing. Like for example, now I have added a spreadsheet from the Google, so this sheet was your available, and I can edit based on the things here. Like I can add a comment for in this particular column, and if I want to put in a text, or we can bold. And this was in a Google Sheet, or like how you are going to use in the computer, those operations you can perform here. We can put dedicated video for that. So now we can see only on the Google Drive, and these are the things which are available. Apart from this, here the options were like we can share the things to another user. For example, here I am going to share to one of the ID. This file is going to be shared to that particular account. Both of them can edit simultaneously. Those are the things which were available in the device. So these were the like, so any person you can share.